Today we are going to learn about concept of CAD, CAM and CAE. These are categories of software used by many engineers according to their particular use. This software useful for civil engineer, mechanical engineer, electrical engineer and architect as well as interior designer. So before gonna start, I am introduce myself. My name is Firoz. I am a design engineer with more than 6 year experience in concerned field. So let's get started. So the introduction to CAD. So first, CAD is short form of computer aided design. It is used to design, develop and optimize the products with the help of computer system. Before learn CAD, we must know why they are invented. CAD. So CAD is invented that because of unconventional method of drawing. To creating drawing with the help of conventional method is a very hectic procedure with less accuracy and very lengthy procedure as well. We cannot modify easily. To overcome these difficulties, they have invented CAD softwares, that is computer aided designing or drafting softwares. So with the help of computer system, we can design and develop the part with more accuracy within less time. So it will actually reduces the effort, time as well as money. Computer-aided design is use of computer software to design and documents a product design process. We can use documentation as well as with the help of the CAD softwares. Enable design engineer to lay out and to develop their work on a computer screen, print and save it for a future editing. So we can edit whenever we require, we can share this file whenever we want, and we can modify whenever we require. So these are major advantages of the CAD software. That's why it is most useful nowadays. It actually enables in efficiency and the quality of a design that is very useful, increasing the engineer's productivity. We can modify the parts as per our requirement as well as we can improve the record keeping through better documentation and communication. So it is widely used for the industrial products, animated movies and other applications as well. A special printer or plotter is usually required for printing professional design renderings. Today, the use of the CAD has permeated almost all industries, from aerospace, electronics to manufacturing, as well as civil engineering is also majorly using the CAD softwares. So the next term is CAM, is the use of the computer software and hardware to plan, manage and control the operation of a manufacturing plant. Before inventing of the CAM, it is very difficult to produce coding for the complex shape. So now we can overcome this difficulty with the help of CAM software. CAM software actually do the programming automatically with the help of computer. Is the use of computer software to solve engineering problem and analyze product creating using CAD. So CAM softwares are generally used for the manufacturing process. CAE is a fast emerging field that takes CAD to another level. While CAD is useful in creating 2D and 3D model of a product, CAE software allows a deeper engineering analysis of object. We just need to assign operation to our object. So the CAM softwares actually create a program and we can manufacture a part as per requirement, even though we can work on 5-axis, 7-axis milling machine as well. The next concept of engineering software is CAE. It is nothing but computer aided engineering and it is useful for the analysis purpose, whether it is structural analysis or thermal analysis. Analysis is important that because we can analyze the part before manufacturing, and that's why it is most beneficially for the industry. So there are some few steps to CAE process. There are many softwares in market to do these tasks. So AutoCAD is a very basic and very important software, CAD software, formally launched in 1982 by Autodesk company. Autodesk is having another softwares like Revit Architecture, 3ds Max, Autodesk Inventor. Autodesk has developed a custom version that can be used by design engineers, civil engineer, electronic engineers. So many softwares as like AutoCAD are available in the market, but CAD has a more customer and it is used in 150 countries across the world. It still has a lion's share in CAD market despite the competition offered by CATIA, ANSYS, PTC Creo, UGNX. There are many softwares available in the market to do the CAD softwares. We are going to talk about later. So AutoCAD version is released in 1982. The latest Windows version of AutoCAD is 2022. It is quite old PPT, so it's shown as 2019. In addition, AutoCAD has a mobile version of both Android and Apple phones. As far as the price is concerned, AutoCAD comes in two packages. AutoCAD and AutoCAD LT is a slight cheaper version of AutoCAD, that is customized version of AutoCAD. So similarly, CATIA is another product of CAD which is widely used for the surface design. CATIA is acronym for Computer Aided Three-Dimensional Interactive Application. It is one of the leading 3D software used by organization. CATIA is a multi-platform 3D software suitable for CAD CAM as well as CAE. And it is a Dassault System software like Autodesk. Dassault System is another leading software in CAD field. It is a bidirectional associative property of CATIA ensure that the modification made in the model are reflected in the drawing views and vice versa. So you can create and modify the part whenever required. It will automatically update in another model. So these are modules actually, CAD CAM and CAE. So AutoCAD and CATIA is not just the CAD softwares. Apart from that, we have many softwares in CAD CAM as well as CAE. So the other softwares are, we have to learn about this software as well. So here we have some list of CAD CAM and CAE softwares. So in the CAD softwares, we have also categorized these softwares as a mechanical CAD and a civil CAD. Civil CAD are generally used by the civil engineer. So you can see this is major civil CAD used. So AutoCAD is a basic software which is used for to create 2D plans, elevation, cut sections and site plan. So AutoCAD is generally a drafting software used for the 2D drawings. We cannot create a complex 3D shapes AutoCAD. We can create, but it takes longer time. So other softwares are developed by Autodesk itself. Or Revit Architecture is a best software for the exterior design, interior design. Google SketchUp is also software from the Google. It is a very smooth and easy software to learn for the civil engineers. 3ds Max is widely used for the exterior and interior designers and architects. So it is very important to learn these softwares. Many more softwares yet to come in the CAD field. As like this, mechanical engineers are using these softwares. Let's see. The AutoCAD. AutoCAD is majorly used by all engineers. So as I mentioned before, mechanical engineers also use AutoCAD. For the 3D design, part modeling, we can use remaining softwares like SolidWorks, PTC Creo, Unigraphics NX uses a short form, CATIA, Autodesk Inventor, as well as Solid Edge. These are a few CAD software used by the mechanical engineers. Now the next terms, CAM softwares. In the CAM softwares, the first software comes Mastercam, NXCAM, Fusion 360, SolidWorks CAM. This software is used for the manufacturing purpose. And these are few CAE softwares in the market. This is Hypermesh, ANSYS, Fusion 360, Solid Edge. These are used for the engineering purpose. We can analyze part before manufacturing. This is CAE. So these are modules of the software generally used. Many softwares allow to do all things in one, like you can do this CAD, CAM and CAE work in single product. Like CATIA, you can do the CAD, CAM, CAE. Another softwares like SolidWorks, they have invented CAD and CAE, as well as they have CAM software in it. UGNX allow to CAD as well as UGCAM. And CAE softwares, in generally CAE softwares we have to import CAD models from other CAD softwares. We can model it in itself, but it is quite time consuming. So these are few categories of the CAD, CAM and CAE software. So hope you have understand all these things. Thank you.